Here we go. You guys ready? Hopefully you're warmed up already. So let's jog it out. Let's jog it out together. Make sure you have a towel handy. You'll need it. And have that water ready for when you're done. All right. Let's start down squats. Jog, jog, squat. Jog, jog, squat. Jog, jog, squat. Make sure your chest is up high, your legs are wide, and you're landing in your heels, and you're driving from your heels. Nice. 4, 3, 2, we're gonna go into lunges. Last one. Right leg forward, left forward, right. Add those arms. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, singles. Here we go. 4 more. 4, 2, last one. Jog it out. Oh yeah. Do that again. You all ready? Here we go. Squat, jog, jog, squat. Chest up high. Drive from those legs. I always say use those legs like they're shocks. Shocks on a motorcycle. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, left leg forward. Here we go. 1. Oh yeah. 4 more. You all ready? Last one. Here we go, singles. 4, 2, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, jog it out. Jog it out. You can do this. Come on. Gonna add on here. Use little jacks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Back those squats. Jog it out. Squat. Jog, jog. Squat. Jog, jog. All right, you're doing it. Looking good. Oh yeah, I see you. 4, 3, 2, last one. Oh yeah, you know it. Back to your lunges. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Oh, and you know it's singles. 3, 4. Last one. Jog it out. 4, 3, 2, jacks. Come on, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, squats. Jog, jog. We're almost there. Come on. 2 more. Last one. 4 lunges. Now 4 singles. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and you're done. Holy moly, how you feeling? Hello, legs. All right, hope you guys had fun. If you have time, I'm gonna suggest you do this 3 times. 15 minutes of high intensity interval training will burn 7 times more fat throughout your day. So do it, you can do it.